Welcome back to our channel. The G Wagon has always been defined by two things: its iconic bank vault design and the thunderous roar of a V8. But for 2026, one of those is gone. Mercedes has replaced the G550's legendary V8 with a new mild hybrid Inline-Six. So the big question is, have they actually improved a legend, or have they broken a 45-year-old promise? Today, we're going to push this new G Wagon on the road and off it to find out if the soul of this icon is still intact. At first glance, this is still, unmistakably, a G Wagon. The design changes are subtle. A new grille with 4 louvers, slightly reshaped bumpers, and new A-pillar cladding that Mercedes says helps with aerodynamics and quiets things down. But let's be honest, trying to make a G Wagon aerodynamic is like trying to make a shipping container slice through the wind. You can only do so much. All the core elements are still here: the bolt-upright windshield, the exposed door hinges, and the side-swinging tailgate with the full-size spare. And of course, you still get the single most satisfying sound in the entire auto industry: that solid mechanical thunk of the door latch. It really feels like you're sealing yourself inside a fortress, a feeling no other SUV can replicate. Inside, the story is a mix of that old-world ruggedness and brand-new tech. You still have that commanding view of the road and the signature passenger grab handle on the dash. But now, the dashboard is dominated by 2 massive 12.3-inch screens running the latest MBUX infotainment system. It's fast, responsive, and finally brings the G Wagon's tech up to speed with the rest of the Mercedes lineup. But the real headline in here is the new off-road cockpit. With just the press of a button, the screens completely transform, showing you everything from your steering angle and altitude to which of your differentials are locked. It even has a transparent hood feature, which uses cameras to give you a virtual view of the ground right in front of and under the vehicle, which is incredibly useful for navigating tough obstacles. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room: the engine. The V8 in the G550 is gone. The previous generation's 4.0-liter biturbo V8 made 416 horsepower and a hefty 450 pound-feet of torque. In its place is a 3.0-liter turbocharged Inline-Six with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. On its own, the new engine produces 443 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. So horsepower is actually up, but the base torque is down. The new engine has a respectable burble, but it completely lacks the bass-heavy dramatic thunder of the V8 it replaces. For an icon that was defined as much by its sound as its shape, this is a major change in character. And just to be clear, you can still get a V8 in the bonkers fast AMG G63 model, but for the G550, the 6-cylinder is now it. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Now let's get back to the topic. The new G550 drives much better on regular roads. Its new Inline-Six engine and 9-speed automatic transmission are very smooth, making it surprisingly fast: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds. The ride is more comfortable and less bumpy, making it a better choice for daily driving. It's also quieter. The hybrid system slightly improves gas mileage, getting about 17 city 19 highway mpg. However, some of the car's exciting drama is now gone. Off-road, the G550 is still a true legend. It keeps its strong frame, solid rear axle, and 3 locking differentials. With these activated, it is unstoppable in mud and on steep, rocky hills. Its amazing off-road ability is fully preserved. So, back to our question: has Mercedes improved a legend or broken a promise? Objectively, the 2026 G550 is a better vehicle in a lot of ways. It's more refined, more comfortable on the road, and features vastly superior technology. But the V8 wasn't just an engine. For many, it was the G Wagon's heart and soul. Its thunderous soundtrack was a huge part of the appeal. This new Inline-Six is competent, powerful, and smooth, but it's also a bit sterile. So here it is. The character has been compromised, but the legend has been improved. The G Wagon hasn't lost its grit, but it has traded some of its ferocious personality for a new layer of sophisticated polish. It's no longer just a magnificent brute, it's a smarter, more livable one. And for most buyers who spend their time on city streets, that's probably an upgrade. The king hasn't been dethroned. He's just learned some new manners. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.